Hi everyone, welcome back to the vlog. You'll
Howdy.
never guess where we are.
Where?
Chicago. We're going to dinner with McCrossin. McCrossin is figuring out transportation, I believe. And here he is.
The review.
Hi! They're kind of matching, but
Oh yeah?
we're going to dinner and then we're going on a
Oh, you
river
missed
cruise.
Not even in it.
You're not, you know.
What? What did I miss?
We were doing like a little.
Okay. Well, we are meeting to go to dinner. Okay.
Alright.
So we gotta go. But you'll see us later. You'll see more of us. Okay, first sips of the espresso martini.
Oh, I really like it. It is
I
very
haven't-
nice.
You doing a review?
Aroma.
Bree goes first. Bree goes first.
Oh, I already stepped in.
I like this one.
I like that it's not creamy. I like the silkier one. Like not too.
It's not too alcoholic.
It's good.
Inject that caffeine right in my veins, baby.
See that green building? The gold on top?
Yeah.
So that's the Penry. It's built like a champagne bottle. And the gold on top is actually real gold.
Okay, McCrossin.
What's up, doll?
What have we been up to?
Well, we had a fabulous dinner with a lot of meat. We're hefty stomachs right now. And now we did the river walk, and now we're on the architecture tour, #1 boat tour in the Midwest. It's gonna be a joy. Ian is right there's Ian back there. Do you see him? Did he not see us?
I think he saw us. That's hilarious. But yeah, food was so good. The meat was, I mean, obviously fresh off the grill. So it was.
Oh, because we were cooking it ourselves, baby.
Yeah.
There he is.
Found
Last
him.
dinner.
It's delicious. Oh my gosh. Chef McCrossin was whipping up some excellent steaks. And the pork, of course.
Then we got Grill Master Ian over there. He was doing pretty well too.
And they've got espresso martini Brie housing them.
Espresso. There's no X.
I fumbled.
No X.
Yeah, she was kind of just sitting there, you know.
I was just
She
enjoying.
didn't do a lot of work.
We're on an architecture tour. So, like, we're gonna
Oh, they're announcing.
hear everything about the architecture.
Before I get underway here, a couple.
Good morning, vlog. Today is Saturday, so second day in Chicago, and we are going to go to a drag brunch, and then we're gonna go to some Pride Fest activities and see where the night takes us. But yesterday was so much fun. We did like the river tour after dinner, and dinner was amazing as well. And then we met up with Caroline at this place called Happy Camper, and we tried to go out more, but it was just really busy out, and we just ended up coming back here and having a good time together. But look at his fit for the day. Actually, he's waiting on something to come in the mail. He like overnighted it basically, and it's still not here. So
So may have to go with backup fit, but that fit will be on me at some point this day.
let's do a
For sure.
current OOTD.
Everything looks good.
Ian's going to check his car.
I got my Pride socks on, you know, you can see. And I'll have my Pride shoes. Oh, I'll show them the shoes.
The girls that we're meeting up with today look so cute, and I'm like, ugh, I wish I had something more colorful, but I didn't. So my whole fit is from Abercrombie and then Nike.
Got the Pride shoes, a little dirty, but they like the rainbow on the bottom.
Love it.
Rainbows on the side, rainbows on the back. I'm really excited. It's gonna be good.
And you'll see Ian's fit when he comes back, and then we're gonna go to brunch. And I've never been to a drag brunch, so this is really exciting. And I feel like it's so momentous that it's during all these Pride Fest activities. So
Yeah, it's gonna be a good day, people. It's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a very gay day.
Hey vlog,
So like the shoes.
it's Ian. Shirt came from Nike while working at Florida State football. Pants came via Bree via Lululemon. Shoes came via Trade Home Shoes.
do a spin, do a spin, do a spin, do a spin. Oh, you did it! You did it! Good job. Ah!
Dear Lord. Let's go! Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.